Hi, I'm Jon from PHLster, and today we are doing some Q&A. Hi, I'm Jon from PHLster, and today we are answering... It's me. Hi. Hi.
100% outtakes.
Yep, all outtakes.
All outtakes.
Pure PHLster outtakes. Hi, it's me, Jon from PHLster. Today I'm answering questions. What's the first question? Who is PHLster? Well, PHLster's not a person, although people think I'm Phil. People call me Phil. Hi, I'd like to talk to Phil. There's no Phil. There's me, Jon. So in terms of organization, PHLster is owned by myself and my wife, Sarah, who you've seen in a number of videos. Tessa, you've seen in a bunch of videos, also is our director of customer development, and she helps us create a bunch of our learning content to help people with their concealed carry journey. Connor answers your technical support emails, and Nick answers your shipping and receiving and returns related emails. Brian moderates the workshop for us. That's the PHLster home team. We also partner with the activity group out of Boise, Idaho to do our shipping and fulfillment. Henry Holsters produces a lot of products for us. I'll get into the story of how that occurred a number of years ago in just a moment. So we've got manufacturing and distribution partners and the team here where we do the R&D prototyping, T&E, and educational content. I started this YouTube channel, which is about 10. I think the oldest video on this channel is from 2011. So we're looking at 12 years ago.
It's like PHL, like Philadelphia, but if you glance at it real quick, it looks like it says holster too.
So back in the day, there weren't a whole lot of resources about how to make a Kydex holster. I decided that I was going to learn how to do it in front of everyone. Because back then I was an auto mechanic, and one of the things that we learned very quickly is never be the first person to work on a car that no one's seen before. Let someone else do it and watch them. So I said, I'm going to be the guy who does it and fails publicly trying to figure it out, because there weren't really any DIY resources for it at the time. So I started figuring out how to make holsters, and I got in touch with a whole bunch of other people who were in the process of making holsters and figuring it out for themselves. Andrew Henry being one of them. He's one of my oldest friends in the business. And over the years, I started growing my business and trying to figure out how to mass produce stuff and do it at scale. And I just realized I didn't have that great of a process. I was stuck on the treadmill of trying to, clear my back orders of holsters and improve my process. And Andrew had a tremendous process and capacity to handle our production. So I think it was, 2016, maybe. I said to Andrew, hey, I have ideas for stuff that I can't make at my shop. How would you like to make it? And then we started the partnership where we design things together and we have them produced at his workshop, and then they get fulfilled to you guys. So that's how we wound up doing it that way. And I decided I was going to partner with another company who has their shipping and receiving all dialed in, because I am not the most organized person in the world. And so we teamed up with the activity group in order to make sure that things stay in stock as best as we can manage that, and everything gets shipped quickly and on time. And none of the things that require organization have to go through me, where they would inevitably fall to pieces. That's the end of the story. Well, let's flash forward. So after all these years, we've gone from making videos about how to make Kydex holsters to making videos about how to conceal your pistol in a sustainable way for everyday carry. So, we're still in the education game. Education has always been the most important thing that we do as a company and as an organization. And basically, I think of us as a brand that gives away all the education for free and then sells the tools for how to put it into practice. What future projects do we have lined up for PHLster? Well, I can't talk about them.